That's a whole 40 mile an hour. It might say 50, it's 44.
I got this. I got this. I can speed.
Are we managing, Harry? There. Yeah, uphills are a bit of a struggle on that bike, aren't they?
Chilling at 60.
Full throttle. Full throttle. That is rapid. I love that full throttle for you is like just leisurely cruising. Ah, at least we're coming to a stop, I guess. Yeah, I mean, one way or the other.
No, please don't.
Oh, I'll get it on video as he fucking rearrange you. Oh, you didn't do it. Poor bastard.
That was nice.
That BM was a nice colour. Bit of a weird green, mind you, but it was still a nice colour. I have an itchy nose for some reason. Yeah.
It's a red light. It's a green light. It's a yellow light. I've spoken into existence.
Da, 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 da. See, I still look at those numbers and put the two together, so that'll look like 1,710 deaths. Or accidents, sorry.
What?
It's not, it's 17 down to the... I'm talking to the camera. Wait for me, I've only got little legs! I love that George's hair thing just like flails about, but it'll like get caught by the wind and it'll be like, whee, and then fall. And then it'll like go up the other side and be like, whee, and then fall. It's great. I love it.
I'm just so
Keep me entertained for hours with that thing.
Fucking bird!
What are you two giggling at? Oh, she almost killed a bird.
That
Nice.
bird gets the life out of me!
At least it's not just me trying to kill all the birds then.
No,
Or that the birds are trying to commit
kill
suicide
me.
on.
Trust me, that bird was trying to kill me. It went the other way around.
Trying to kill you.
It went towards the inside of my tyre. If I was going to the front of it, it's fine, but the inside, it could have got stuck and threw me off. That bird was trying to kill me.
We'll be straight over at the next roundabout, by the way, just letting you know. It's alright, I'm a little bit far back, but I did see you put the thumbs up. I have somewhat decent eyesight at least. Caution, vehicles turning. I mean, I should hope that they are, because it is a corner. George are going for the overtake. Harry also trying to get the overtake in. Beautifully done there, Harry.
I did
it. We're taking like the weird left up here, by the way. I know that doesn't really make sense. Like if you don't remember the turn, but yeah.
Yeah, it's like a left, but it's not a left.
It's worse when you're coming the opposite way, because the road almost looks like it curves around to then go up that way, but it doesn't. Well, it does, but it's a junction and you gotta come this way, so it's weird. But yeah, we're taking this left here. That's not a left; it's more straight, really, but all the same. And then in 3.5 miles we'll be turning left again. So I'll let you two come past me again. I'll let you two set the pace. Beautiful.
On the inside.
A little bit hard. got my nice water bottle attached, so I'm happy. We've got half an hour until we sort of pull up to, well, you know, get to where we're supposed to be going, within reason. And
oh, there's a helicopter
it's
in
actually
there.
flown. That's a couple of dead on. That is a helicopter. Just, I know you two just said about it, but I wasn't paying any attention. Yeah, I wasn't paying any attention to you two, like words coming from you two. No. See what I mean? Some people just have too much money. Who the hell parks a helicopter on their garden? Other than people with helicopters. Oh, I'm disconnected from somebody.
Hello.
Ah, I look directly at the sun. Why did I do that?
Oh, here comes. Oh, you.
That was not very smart of me. Backblinding. I think George is disconnected again.
I can still hear ya.
Oh, she's still here. Okay. Good, good. What are you turning in for? What are you turning down this bit for? Oh, I think her phone's doing the weird thing. I don't have a clue. I think her phone's doing the weird thing again. What are you doing with that? Does it not go like high enough up to just hold your thing? Can you get it?
What did it?
Okay. Good. Stop leaning back. Why haven't you got it in that? Your bike's smoking. Yeah, just a little bit. Ah, it's alright. If it's past its MOT, it should still have oil. Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
Nah. Motorcycles are great for... To be fair, CBS do nothing but burn oil. Fucking Nathan's missus, all hers does, or did, was burn oil. That or it's just really hot. Yeah. Because to be fair, where it looks like it's leaking from, it ain't somewhere that would leak. I think it's just heat. We're good.
And this is a fake road, so should be able to get
This
out
is
here.
the fake road. Yeah.
Yeah.
Lead on, good sir.
Oh, that sound.
Well, since this is a fake road and not a main road. Woo! Oh god, that's so high. I got that higher than I meant to get that. That was fucking great.
Can't remember which way to go. No, thanks you.
Yeah. Fuck you. I mean, what we can do is we can use today as a tester for tomorrow. You know, we'll use today to decide how we want to get to the deep tomorrow. Oh my god, do you know what we should do? GoPros. Take the GoPros with us. Do like fucking vlogging.
Take the walk with it.
Yeah, boy. We'll vlog going to the deep. Do they allow cameras in there? Surely they allow cameras and recording in there, don't they?
Probably.
I don't know. We'll take the camera and fuck it.
Yeah.
Because I feel like it would be kind of cool to start vlogging on top of moto vlogging. I think, personally. You know, there seems to be quite a following for vloggers within reason. You know, rather than it just being only moto vlogs. Let's do other bits. Let's do how-tos. Let's just do the normal vlogging type videos. Let's do pornos.
Pornos.
I love how that's the only probably a bit you the question. You know, I don't know.
I didn't hear
we'll
a
start
lot
an
of
OnlyFans.
everything else. All I heard were pornos.
Of course, all you heard was pornos.
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought you'd be up for that.
Of course. How'd you know?
Oh, I can! What are you doing, Georgia?
I can't hear you, hold on.
Alright, well, we've kept going, so smart job, dickhead. Oh, I have, anyway. Ah, dear. Oh, there's a junction there. I guess I'll pull in this bit then.
Oh. You sorted?
You too good?
Whee! Yeah. Can you get straight out, Harry? You should be dangerous.
There's a fucking Domino's there.
Subway in Spa.
I'm more bothered about Domino's than Subway, honestly.
I was just saying that I saw it.
What we saying? Go to Promenade, have a little chill there. When as we started heading back this way, calling there for a pizza. Ah, he's not gone very far, has he? Imagine ordering them and only being that far away from Domino's. I'd have walked that. I mean, yeah, you are, Harry, to be fair. Oh. Well, yeah, but for you it's a bit different.
Are you a
Because
push
the one
bike
down
now?
the road from you really is down the road. Yes, I am a push bike, deal with it. I'm pushing my bike. Push, 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 push. See? Do you know what would be nice? And I mean what really would be nice? If one of the, like, a big fat burger would be nice. Yeah, you're right there, Harry, actually. No, what I was just thinking is if one of the donut shops is still open, having some fresh donuts right now would be amazing. Because like those donuts, oh, ever so good.
Go on, Harry. Oh, thank you.
Watch that car.
I'm more bothered about you rear-ending me. And that
Only
random
rear-end
geezer in the
camera.
middle of nowhere when we went down State Pass.
Yeah, yeah, that did also happen. Yeah, that was your fault, that one, Georgia, so. Ooh, shit. Fuck.
I know it was my fault.
Yeah. Wait, how are you both looking for fuel?
2 bars.
Okay, so we're going to need to find a fuel station at some point then for both of you two.
Yeah,
Fair enough.
mine's not.
Come on.
Promise.
That's more like it.
He was in his own little world there. Fucking
Really?
hell. Yeah, his face was so gone dark.
I couldn't see his face, but
I could. Take my word for it.
what did I say? My eye line's too high to even see his rear view mirror, so.
Just because you're abnormally tall.
Dear. I'm not abnormally tall. I'm just
You're
tall.
abnormally long, sorry.
Abnormally long. So what the hell's Harry? Harry's taller than I am. Only just,
Also
but he is.
abnormally long.
Oh, okay.
Even more abnormally long.
No, I don't like that.
What?
We're not abnormally long or tall or we're abnormally good, I guess. Yeah, you're just short.
I'm not short though. That's the difference.
Excuse me, I farted as I stood up. I hope you got that on video. Because I just got that on video as I tried punching a pigeon. Imagine if I actually hit that pigeon now. Like I would feel so bad. Bang.
Shocking behaviour. I thought they were walking sheep then.
I thought they were sheep at first. They're right big and fluffy.
They're beautiful.
Well, something on my tail that doesn't look right. Oop. You dropped the ball, pal. Pigeon! I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna get one. I'm telling you. I'm having one of them.
Sure.
Even if I have to be going down the road and just like, you know, just to try and get one. I will get one. I'm telling you. I am having one of them pigeons.
Pigeon. Pigeon.
It won't be ready for it, but I will be. Pigeon.
That is nice.
I'm a push bike. See? Push bike. Told ya. My legs
Your
start
legs
cramp
were
up, then I have
way
to
too
stop.
wide for that. It just looked like you were fucking, I don't know, on some
I'm trying to swim. Yeah, I'm trying to do like a front crawl or something of the sort. I don't know. I don't know swimming terms. I don't really swim much.
Yeah, because you can't.
There aren't Horses Day road closures in place. 16th to the 18th.
We're on the 10th.
What's today's date? Oh, I fucking sent that off. Oh, and again. I'm in the sea! Beep beep. I mean, if he was actually like looking at being crossing, I would have slowed down a little bit, but yeah, I don't blame you, Harry, because he was taking the fucking piss to get to the crossing there. Oh, the place is shut. Okay, we'll turn in here. Why are you getting up my ass, George? You can see that I'm indicating.
I can, but I was standing up.
What are you doing, Harry? Just parking sideways. I don't blame you. I would. Well, at least we know you're pulling in. See, because George just took to fucking charger all the way back there, as soon as she turns full left lock, fucking it's pulling up mine.
No, it's not. Harry!
Okay, I'm turning my camera off.